Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This reduces connection failures. Plug the A50 base into Ps5 USB and power the base. This places the headset in the correct ecosystem. Once done, wake the headset and put it in pairing mode by holding the pairing button until LED flashes. Then open Ps5 settings, choose accessories, and select Bluetooth accessories so the console scans for the A50. Make sure wireless interference is minimized. That improves signals. Now you actively pair the devices. With the base connected and the headset blinking, watch the Ps5 scan results. The A50 should appear as a Bluetooth device. Select it quickly because some headsets time out. You confirm any prompts on screen. Once connected, go to sound settings and set the A50 as both output and input so game audio and chat route correctly. Make sure microphone levels are adjusted. Low input is a common, why users can't be heard clearly. Finish by verifying audio and voice chat in a quick test. You want to confirm both game sound and microphone function. Adjust volume and voice chat mix in settings if needed. If pairing fails, power cycle the Ps5 and headset, perform a factory reset on the A50 base per the manual, then attempt pairing again. Also consider wireless congestion. Move away from crowded 2.4 GHz devices or change channel on your router. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.